FIFA 17. I don't need FIFA 17 anymore. What? Why is FIFA 20 not opening anymore? Oh. Well, I guess we'll open FIFA 17 box today. I guess we have to take a trip down memory lane. Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to another video of FIFA Rooster. So, as you saw in the intro, FIFA 20 is pack opener is not opening anymore. So yeah, I thought we could do FIFA 17 packs. So yeah. Team of the Year packs, not that bad, you know, these packs. Not bad, no. Oh. Team of the Year first pack, no, you're kidding me. Spanish, central back. Hey, we got the best one, 95. PK. The best one we could have got, guys. Oh my MGs. Not sure about that. Okay, whatever. Second Team of the Year shot pack. You know, I don't know if these are guaranteed Team of the Year packs. Be sick. Not even a walkout, wow. I want you. Nzonzi. Not dang it, it's a walkout, but who did we get, but oh my goodness. No, dang it! At least Aguero is sick. Aguero! I don't know how to play this game. Oh my goodness! Give me a Team of the Year. You should have anything FIFA Rooster. Something bad gonna happen to you. In future. Oh man, it's in 4-minute walkout. Who is that? Immobile. What a sick. Oh man. Okay, Team of the Season. Oh, there was an icon in the pack. No, Team of the Season and an icon. No stinking way. No. FIFA Rooster, your service is. Did I just say your service? Your service is so bad today. I think I need to type something here. I guess I can't, but loading up. Man, my hand just clicked on FIFA. So I think I'll open some packs or see the latest players. When is Team of the Week 43 come out? Okay. It's the same as yesterday. Valverde and Tufati Mkhitaryan. So yeah, let's check out the Team of the Week 43. I've not checked it out. No, okay, I don't want to read more. I want to see it. Downgummit. I guess I clicked on the wrong button. Try it again. Okay, there we go. Back to normal. That is okay. Well, I guess that is it. Team of the Week. There's no center back Team of the Week. There's no other. Okay, let's see De Bruyne generations. FIFA 13, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. 81, 82, 83, 83, 83, 84, 85, 86. FIFA 15. And another 87 and 88, 18, 92. Wow. It's a big upgrade. 86, 87, 88, 89. 90, 91, 92, 94, 95. Whoa, that's kind of odd. FIFA 17, 88, 89, 90, 90, 91, 99, 91, 92, 92, 93, 95, 89, 90, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. What is this point? 91, 92, 93, 92, 91, 92, 93, 94, 97. Big upgrade. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 98, 99. This is the part of the video, so peace.